what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the two most broken kits in Roblox Bedwars Season 12, alright? And you guys might be wondering, why am I doing Bedwars? Well, it's because some of you guys have been begging me to do it, and yeah, I just realized maybe I could do a video, and yeah, maybe you guys will enjoy it. So, yeah, let's clap it up for me being back to Bedwars. Yeah. But anyways, guys, the first kit is going to be the Trixie kit, which I have on right now. And shout out to my friend Loyal_Scissors. He gifted me this kit, and I want to personally thank him so much for this kit because it's absolutely broken, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly why. So yeah, let's go to the match, and yeah, I'll see you guys there. Alright guys, so basically how this kit works is you press the R ability to dash up, and you see that little crystal up there, guys? If you jump into the void and press Q, you'll teleport back up. So if your enemies just swing their sword like this at you, you teleport back up from here and then smack it into the void. This kit is insanely good for movement and outplaying. Like, if you want to use this kit for movement, it's really good. If you want to use this kit for outplaying, it's really good. But you can use it for both. And this guy doesn't even touch his generator. Alright, that's perfect. Just kill him real quick. Oh, now he's realized the game started. Look at that. It's an Evelyn. He's not even using his ability. I don't want to break his bed just yet. I want him to see my ability. Look at this. Dash up. Damage him. Gonna go back up here. Okay, he's not even moving, bro. He's giving up. He doesn't want to do it. Oh, I didn't realize. Okay, I gotta kill him. Bye-bye. Well, that's a sad guy right there. These players are a bit sweaty. So I gotta make sure I take out the sweat bags out of the game first. So, yeah. It won't cause me any trouble. Oh, wow. 9 diamonds in the crate, and they're just in my pocket, bro. All those diamonds are just in my pocket, bro. Who broke my bed? Oh, no, he's going to bed. Nope, nope, nope. Not having it. Not having it. Nope. You are not having midnight. You are not having it. Look at that. I'm already on him. Yup, he's going to try to do the typical sweat play. Why will my ability work? I'm just trying to make my ability work, and it won't work. I can dash out to you right now. He has no blocks, and that's my advantage. And I also have no blocks, so I have to PvP fight him right now. Oh no. Oh no, I'm dead. Woo! Alright, we're not. How does this guy do so much damage, bro? I don't get it. So yeah, let's make sure to just take him out of the game. That'll be easier. And then we have one pink guy left who looks like he's Mega. Well, I can still see you, boy. If you try to use that invisibility ability, it won't work. Yup, it's Thimble Diamond Armor, and he's a Pirate Davy as well. Oh no, or he's just gonna. Okay. And he fell. What kind of Pirate Davy are you? Oh my gosh. He has a tier 2. He does. Look at that. Straight up dashed onto him. His bed. Yo, I don't get the fact that this guy does so much damage. Why does he do this much damage? Yes! We're actually gonna get him out of the game. Yes! Let's go! And I'm a mine your cannon, buddy. So I don't need an axe for anything, because this is just the last player in the entire game. And if this guy's a tier 3, I'm actually gonna crush. Okay, he has a tier 0. I don't know how he managed to manage, but hey, what can I say? And the gloop is gonna be useful for this guy who's just gonna love to use his invisibility. And he's already been to mid, so he probably has diamond armor. As I've stacked up, I have a diamond sword now. This is going good, but he has diamond armor, same as that guy. I think I can do more damage than him, but I don't know. Oh, it's gonna be difficult to win against this guy, bro, because he's just gonna sweat, bro. He's just gonna use his invisibility. But as long as I can use my gloops wisely and my kit, it's easy dubs for me, alright? It's easy. Anyways, I need tier 3 damage, bro, because this, I swear, Diamond Sword's gonna do like 12 damage, and he's somehow gonna just PvP me to death, even though I'm like one of the best PvPers in Bedwars. He has no bed. And, yeah, I'll give him 17 diamonds if I die. So let's just try not to do that. Let's try and bridge over him. Trying to stack up as much as I can. And he's trying to stack up on M's as much as he can as well. Well, he's just staying at that one sign base, so I don't know what he's really doing. It's not gonna work out for him that well, that's all I'm gonna say. It's not gonna work out for him that well. I have a Diamond Sword, tier 3 damage, tier 2 armor. But I don't know what I should do with these 4 enemies. Oh, I should get an enchantment table. Oh my gosh, why am I so stupid? Bro, I could just get an enchantment table, get like static or crit strike, and I'm good to go. Alright guys, we got the enchantment table, and now let's get the enchants. He's probably never focused that on his life, so if I just get a good enchant.
Nice.
Or static, they're both kind of the same. They're still insanely overpowered. I could just dink this guy with a fireball, double fire damage. Yo! And plus my kit, I could just zap onto him whenever I want to. Animals cannot build. Oh, that was the last time I checked. Just like 20 years ago. Anyways, maybe they could build. I don't know. Oh, nope, that's not gonna do anything? Alright. Let's just zap onto him. Bloop. Yes! Where's he? Oh, it's over. It's over. It's over. I might as well give him a chance. Just fireball him. Let's go! Alright, that's the Trixie kit. And I've shown you guys how OP it is. I can just zap in there, boom, 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 and he's dead, alright? So yeah, the second kit is gonna be Yuma, alright? So I'm just gonna equip it, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the match. Alright guys, basically how this kit works is, yeah, you summon these spirits, and they either can collect resources, or either you can throw them down on players and they'll do damage, alright? So the best spirit is the attack spirit, which is this one. The heal spirit is absolute garbage, alright? So make sure you never use that spirit, alright? Only if you want to become a healer, and yeah, become the best for your squad. That's the only time you should use it. Other times, no, never use it, alright? Especially in solos. These people want to like absolutely destroy you every single time, bro. So yeah, that's why you don't want to be picking it. Oh wow, I made the jump. Let's go. Oh, he's also another Sunday. Oh, I might as well get him out of the game before he becomes absolutely the most annoying player on planet Earth. Oh, in the toilet you go, mate. In the toilet you go. It's just simple. Protect your bed. Stop being AFK. Why are most players AFK in this game, bro? I don't get it. And the sign has to go, bro. Like, sign has to go. Yep, I just see him right there. He's trying to absolutely outplay the opponent. Trying to build as much as he can. But yeah, that isn't gonna work out for you, alright? You're gonna die. Oh, let's kill him with the spider crabs. Oh, you're so lucky. Oh. He's gonna die. He died to my spiders, bro. That's actually insane. Oh my gosh. And this guy still has bed. As in straight bed plating. And I might as well just be out. Alright, I might as well just be out. You want a spirit? Alright, there you go. That was spirit. Deal with that. Oh, no. Didn't reach him. Alright. Well, we just bought tier gen 1. Why not? We're already the most stacked player in the entire game. Oh, this guy just decided to rush me. You know, not the best of all ideas, you know? Is it me that just lagged out, or is it him? I don't know, because whenever players lag out, I think it's me. Alright, I mean, I'll take the diamond armor. Diamond armor is always good for you, isn't it? You know what? I just realized I can just have these creatures go along. Do they reach? Okay, never mind. It's not gonna work because they don't reach. I throw that one on there. Throw that one. Throw that one. And yeah, that's diamond armor, guys. It's a simple game. Just, oh no. Gotta collect that. Can't forget about all the Emmys. Is that diamond armor, diamond sword case? No. Well, I really thought. Lots of diamonds in my crate. Lots. And I can upgrade my spirits. Yeah, and I have 7 rocks, so I can just go like this. I have like a bunch of spirits with me. So I've used my last rock. Look how many spirits I have. Oh, yo, I'm overpowered, bro. I'm actually the most overpowered person in the entire game right now. I can just do anything. I'm technically invincible right now. If anyone wants to be, they're dead. It won't work. It won't work out for them. Look, I got over like 10 spirits. If they want to PvP, they want to, but if they want to die, that's the same as trying to PvP me right now. I'm at max spirits right now. So how many do I have? 10 spirits. I literally have 10 spirits. You can see on the middle left. And yeah, this game is basically over. It's basically just over. It's just over. There's nothing else to say. Just do that. Bring an Emmy back. Just do that. Bring you some Emmys. Do that. And then, yeah, they just bring me all the emeralds I need. Alright, this guy's just gonna try. Okay. That is not gonna work out. I'm just telling you. No, have a bit of that then. Have a bit of that. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have my little spider friends kill him. Constant damage. Oh, and he's into the void. You know, I can't do anything about these players. Like, if they want to fall into the void, they can. But it's not that hard to just not fall into the void. Like, I just tapped you once. Like, why are you falling into the void? Oh, and he's the only player left. You know, I might as well troll him to the point he doesn't even want to play the game and just leave. I'm making Bedwars great again, alright? I'm making everybody quit. I'm just gonna make this guy absolutely leave the game. Rage quit, probably smash his entire PC. But yeah, I don't care. Oh, and he's trying to teleport back. Oh, and he did. Let's make sure he doesn't have anything left from that. I need one more emerald to just upgrade my thing. So let's just upgrade our spirit to the last emerald. Look at him. He's eating chat. Okay, no. He's just staying at base, absolutely clueless about what to do against me. I mean, I would also be clueless if there was a diamond armor, diamond sword, with all these creatures following him. I would also be confused. Alright, we got the max tier. Let's get some more rocks. But yeah, let's see chat. Oh my goodness. Look at it. Oh my gosh, look how many creatures I have. Oh my gosh. Yo, and I'm pretty sure they do like 6 damage to him right now. Oh, and they do like 3 or 4 hits. So 6 times 4 is 24. Alright, so yeah. This kit is kind of overpowered, alright? So I'm just gonna go kill him with my spirit creatures. I don't know why I said sea creatures. Yo! He's dead! He's dead! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this kid is OP. Oh, and he's dead. And he's just dead. He just can't do anything. I mean, I don't blame him, to be honest. I just killed him with these little guys on my back. I didn't even use my sword at all to kill him. I just used the guys on my back to kill him. But anyways, guys, that is all for today's video. Alright, I showcased the 2 most overpowered kits of Season 12. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, make sure to smash that subscribe button, smash that like button. And if you want more Bedwars content, make sure to comment down below, alright? But anyways, guys, I'm Mark and I'm out. Peace.